How to prevent DNS leaks while using Avast SecureLine VPN on Windows 10/8/7. Avast SecureLine VPN now actively prevents DNS leaks on IPv4 for Windows 10, Windows 8/8.1 and Windows 7 SP1, Service Pack 1, by blocking DNS requests to third-party DNS servers. This feature is intended to reduce privacy vulnerabilities due to web activity monitoring and DNS hijacking while using SecureLine VPN. To use the latest version of SecureLine VPN, update your Avast antivirus program version, your operating system, Windows 10/8/7. On Windows 10, update to the latest version of Avast antivirus by following the instructions in the article below, updating virus definitions and Avast antivirus program version. Note, if you have configured your Avast antivirus to perform updates automatically, the latest version of SecureLine VPN is available by default. Older version of Avast antivirus or the standalone version of Avast SecureLine VPN. If you prefer to use an older version of Avast antivirus or the standalone version of Avast SecureLine VPN on systems running Windows 10 or Windows 8.1/8, we advise to disable the Smart Multi-Home Name Resolution policy. This setting is enabled by default and is intended to optimize DNS queries and improve performance. However, when enabled, it leaves you vulnerable to DNS hijacking as well as DNS leaks, which can result in web activity monitoring, even when you are using a VPN. Important, the Smart Multi-Home Name Resolution setting is especially risky on Windows 10 systems. Therefore, we highly recommend it to disable the service. You can find the settings for the service in DNS client settings within Local Group Policy Editor. Your operating system, Windows 10/8/7. To disable the Smart Multi-Home Name Resolution service, 1. Open the Start menu and type bedite.msc. In the search bar, and double-click bedite.msc. To open the Local Group Policy Editor. 2. Within Computer Configuration, select Administrative Templates Network DNS Client, turn off Smart Multi-Home Name Resolution. 3. Select Enable to turn off the service. Click Apply.